This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying your Casio model and power source, so you know whether it uses an OFF key, auto shutoff, or needs battery removal. Once done, inspect the keypad for an OFF, Shift plus AC, or AC/ on label. Make sure to remove any protective cover that hides keys. If your unit is solar assisted, position it away from bright light to see the keypad clearly. Now press the visible OFF combination, or proceed to the simple key sequence in the next step. You will now perform the shutdown sequence based on that model identification. For many Casio scientifics, press Shift then AC/on to access the OFF command. Other models have a dedicated OFF key. Tap it or hold for 1 to 2 seconds to force power down. If the display is unresponsive, make sure to try a soft reset using the small reset hole or Shift plus the reset code. This clears temporary hangs without removing batteries. Once the screen goes blank, confirm power is off visually. To finish, verify the display is blank and keys produce no response. That confirms a successful shutdown. If the calculator remains powered, you should carefully remove the batteries or disconnect any external power, because this safely forces a full shutdown. Make sure you note memory loss risk. After battery removal, wait 10 to 15 seconds to discharge residual power before reinserting. If problems persist, check battery contacts for corrosion or consult the manual. This often resolves persistent power issues without further action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.